Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing an easy one. We've got a bathtub here with the little quarter turn pop-up stopper, and it's an easy fix. I'm going to show you how to change it. That way you can start taking baths again. Let's get to it. So I've got this little guy right here. It's threaded on the tip and it slides in like so. And then you pick it up and you quarter turn it, and that stays up, and to let it down you drop it in and it stops up your tub so you can take a bath. Now on this one we had this little guy which threads into the hole inside. Now this was broken off, so I had to unscrew this guy. Okay, so here we have our replacement stopper. And it's got a nut on the bottom here. Gonna unscrew that. Now I know this is the right size because I can match it up to the old one and see. If you do need the 5/16 instead of the 3/8, you can unscrew this cap. Take this nut off. And then you can flip it around like so. But I'm gonna keep it the way it was because that's the size I need. Put that back on here. And then we're gonna put the cap on. There we go. Now this guy is gonna thread into here, just like so. Nice and gently threads on. There we go. After it's threaded on, pick it up, quarter turn, it stays open, or you can quarter turn back and it'll stop up your tub. So that's it, super easy. We just replaced your little tub stopper. That bad boy is about $8. No need to pay a plumber those big plumber prices for something you can do yourself. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.